it's me again, Janet, and today's video we are going unboxing my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here guys, I'm so excited! Finally, nabili ko na rin siya. Matagal ko nang gustong bilhin to, kaso super expensive niya. So this time, nag-decide na akong bilhin to para i-level up naman ang pagiging creator ko. So, let's unbox! Excited na ba kayo? Ako super excited! Let's unboxing! Let's go! Try natin. Alam niyo ba, matagal ko nang gusto to, kaso super mahal nga niya. So, hindi ko na patatagalin. Let's unbox! Let's unbox! Wow! Super excited! So, let's see what's inside. My God! Super excited ako. Ah. Okay, what's inside? Okay, ayan pa siya nito. And here, this is the camera. And the manual also here. There is a manual. And then what's this? And also the case. Yung case niya. Case niya. And let's open it. Wow! Thank you. Here guys, look! DJI. See? Wow! Here, this is the DJI, and what inside? This is the extra battery, maybe extra battery pack, and this is the mic. Excited. And I think this is the tripod. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute niya. And also, what's this? I think this is yung ano niya siguro is sa stand niya ito. So ada siya dito. See guys, then ipapress nyo lang dito siya pag gusto nyo tanggalin. Like that. And then what we have, and the cord niya. And I think this is the windproof from the mic. I think so. Yeah. and the strap and for the mic. It's a para sa windproof. Para sa mic. Look. Hello, test mic test. And of course, this is it. Yung camera. And let's see. Wow. Wala pa siyang palinagay yung memory card niya. So, look. Nice. At meron din siyang, I think this is the lens. Lens to. This is the lens. Okay. This is the lens. See? And what's here? Ano ba to? Grabe, ang dami niya. Ang dami niyang accessories. Super excited talagang i-try to. Can't wait. Ano ba to? Hindi ko siya alam, pero pag-aaralan ko. Ano kaya to, no? Okay. And of course, the case. The case. Wow! Super excited! Yung case niya. May pa-case pa siya. Case pa siya. Look guys. Okay. Try natin yung tripod niya. Kapag ilalagay pala yung tripod pala ito. This one. Maririnig din siya. Click. Nag-click, di ba? Pag nag-click siya, means to say, nakalock na talaga. So, this one is the tripod. So, ang cute. Ang cute niya. See? Pati ito yung manual niya. I think, sticker to. And manual. Nanyang manual. So, kaaralan ko siya. Here's the manual. Lahat nandito. So, kaaralan natin siya. Let's see. Here's the camera. Wow. Meron siyang dito, English. Pwede siyang English. Nihongo. Marami siya. Magpipili lang kayo. See? Look. And the gimbal is moving. Wow, excited. So, let's see. I'm enjoying. Okay guys, i-end na natin ang video for this unboxing. So, itatry ko muna siya kung maganda yung result niya at kung easy siyang gamitin. So, see you on my next video. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.